Okay, in the source level, we don't have any fields. Okay, we don't have any fields. Only we have material. Okay, assume like only material is there. I map to material. Okay, in the target level, I have a material and I have metal group as well. Metal group as well. So my requirement is I have to populate material type, material group in the report level. So in the source level, data source level, I don't have this field. So how can I map it? So already these two fields are part of material master data. These two fields are part of attributes of material. That means in the zero material level, these two fields are available. So then I can do it read master data. Whenever here material is there, example, here material is there, M1. That I am loading to target. I am loading to target. Same. So we have a zero material, right? Zero material. P table. So whatever you are loading, M1. So same M1 if it is there, zero material also. Then material type should populate. Populate the data. Populate the data. Here also you need to populate the data. Material type and material group populate the data. Otherwise it will not populate it. Okay. So in the source level, we have material only. In the target, we have material type, material group, and material. While you are loading data from this source to this target, we have a material M1. That it is already available in zero material. Then it will populate material type, material group. When material when material M1 is not available in the zero material, then it will not populate in the material type, material group. Okay, only it will update to the material only. It will not populate these two fields because material is not matching. Okay, after few days, you will introduce one more material. For example, our business is FMCG, ITC, FMCG, ITC, like HAL, HEL, Hindustan Unilever, okay? Any company we have it. So we are loading the materials. But suddenly that company introduced one product, new product. So that product is not available here, but it will update to this target, that material. The new material it will update to the here, but that material is not maintained in zero material. Then it will not populate this material type material group. So if it is already available in the read master data means same like lookup. Okay, we are looking from here to here. Whatever I have material, new material or old material, that material should match with the zero material. Otherwise, it will not populate. If it is matching, then it will populate material type material group. If it is not matching, then it will not populate the data for material type material group. Only material only it will update. Got it? We will call as a lookup as well. Same lookup. This is like no lookup kind of lookup. We are looking from year to year looking. Same material you have or not. If you have, then update this one. If you don't have same material, then don't update it. Okay? Understood? In the real time also same thing. So sometimes you can say this is customer. Okay. Here also we have customer. And here we have a customer group. Customer group. I have a customer group. Okay. So this scenario also same. Whatever we have C1, it should be available in the zero customer master data. Then only make a customer group will populate the data. Otherwise, it will not populate. Clear? Huh?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Okay. We are just looking into this. That is the way I'm taking this one material, read master data. You can see here, go back. Okay, now you can go and check in active table that is populated or not. So active data, it will go for reporting. That is the way we don't see any packet number, request number, that things and all we cannot see here. You can see these two material types are populated. This material group is, we didn't map it, still it will be blank. And go back. Now we can see it. Okay. See, this is the read master data, right? Material type only field name. Field name is material type. Now you can see it is reading from the material only. You can see complete material, material, material. Okay, it is reading from. So this is from attribute of material. So material type is attribute of zero material. So the system itself, it is behaving. Read master data. This is the master data. Reading from zero material. This is attribute of zero material. So where it will be there? Here. This is attribute material type. This is main master data material. This is attribute. From there it is reading. Okay. And close it. Okay. Okay. Let me check routine as well. We'll see. Now this I will update through routine. So this is farmer, right? Let me edit and I will do through routine. I'm making this as a routine. Okay. I'm making this as a routine. We need to write simple code, ABAP code. Okay. I'm clicking an ABAP routine. Go here. This I just deleting it. This is just comment code. Okay. Here you can see result. So finally we need to update the data into field level routine result only. Okay. Don't delete this one real time. Finally we need to assign to the result only. Okay. What is our field? Source underscore amount only, right? Source underscore fields amount only, our field name. You can see this is only our field. Okay. Copy this one. Okay. Into through routine, I'm doing it. Okay. Just to do check. Okay. Whatever you written code, it is correct or not. No syntax error found. So like this, we need to update amount into quantity. Same thing we are updating. Source fields only. We mapped it. These two fields are importing. Okay. Now you can see save and so you can just activate it. So you can see the symbol now, routine symbol now. Now you can see the routine symbol, A4 size photo. Okay, now you can go and you can do debug also here. See, click here. What is the amount? What is the amount? What is the quantity? I am giving 10, and just execute this option. So here only it will show the result. It is correctly calculating or not. In the backend, the ABAP code is executing whatever we written. So within runtime, milliseconds, it is executed. M second means milliseconds it is executed. So you can give any value. It will show the same value. Okay, 125.70. You can calculate in your calculator and you can try it. Okay. Now let me execute. So let me activate after writing code and you can execute and try it. So small piece of code like this we will write field level routine. If you go for start routine, if you go for end routine, big code will write it. Otherwise, it will degrade the performance. Okay, I'm deleting the old data. These rule types are very important in the real time. Okay, remember thing. Okay, these rule types are very important in the real time. Once you get job, okay, once you get job, these are very important. You have to remember these options. Okay, still, where is the calculations happening? Still, we are getting okay. That calculation through routine, we are updating this one. Okay, it is calculating. So we covered almost six rule types. If you have any questions, just ask me. Any doubt in this transformation level? Okay, by using C by clear, you can see this. Just click on this and you can go here. So here you can see minimize option. Okay, it will go minimize. You can do target. You can download this image. If you want to download this, you can download this one. Okay, save as JPG. I can save it. Okay, okay. It will save in the this one only, right? This one only. Correct, na? This one only, right? So like this, you can save it. Okay. And if you want to see, if you go to here and tabular overview, click on this, and now you can see overview of transformation rules. And you make like no constant for the physical variant, right? You can see this is constant. This material posting date, customer, these are all direct only. Direct only. You can go here and you can check it like no routine. Where exactly routine available? Amount. Okay, for total amount only we have it. Okay, and you can see amount and quantity mapped to the total amount. If we click there, you can see the amount. What is the code written? This code only we written. Okay, this option you can see. Material, read master data, how you are doing it? Read master data. This one, no update, last one. Material group, we didn't map it, no update. Okay, this is master data. You can see here, master. From where material is updating material type, you can see it. You can see the data type and length, and you can see. Okay, you can see hide fields. Okay, hide rule details. You can see below show rule details, and you can see here. So clear, right? This one record mode also finally. This is initial only. Okay, like this you can see. And if you want to see code, our code also, whatever you written in the real time, this is very important. Display generated program also we have to go. Where it will be, you can go here, you can check it. When we activate the our transformation, it will generate it code. Okay. I think it will be there somewhere. Control F and the result. So many places would be there. For every field, the result would be there. Okay. This one. 1366 line would be there. Okay. Here you can see. Okay. Go back. Now, if you want to see the code, here only directly double click and go to this display. Go to this display. Currently, we are not in edit mode. Currently, I am not in edit mode. Okay. If it is click on this, then only it will be in edit mode. Okay. Currently, I am not in edit mode. Okay. Display mode only. Click this, display the code. What we written code? This is the we written code. Okay. If you want to debug, we can debug it. How you will debug? Okay, go back and keep it like no blank and keeping it edit mode. Go here, go here and go to breakpoint, edit mode. Here I will keep like no breakpoint, example, breakpoint. I'm keeping it breakpoint and check it. If throwing any error, we need to fix it. Okay, no errors. Okay, I'm activating it. I'm activating it. I'm executing again. Anyhow, it is full update. I'm executing. So, sorry, don't execute. We need to execute in debug mode. Okay. Execute in debug mode. We already placed the breakpoint. Select and execute. So, like this will come. And here we need to select. We need to select after the transformation. Before enrouting. After transformation only it will execute. Okay, now we'll go and execute. Okay, check and okay. It has to go above debug. So it is going. Okay. So now it is coming to above debug. So how to debug also we can see. So it has to go our debug mode. Okay, our field where exactly we written code it has to go. Okay. See here metal type is there. Okay. See, in the back end, it is written some like no code. Okay, lookup code. Okay, lookup code. It is saying like no lookup master data. It is happened in the back end for the read master data. Okay, so now again you can see it here for same material type field only. It is refreshing and they are checking the material master data. They are checking the material master data and appending to this one. And finally, they are going to free fetch. So there is a one lookup field, okay, there is a one method, okay, class. So this is class, this is method prefetch. And there it is written the code, okay. If you go to slash SC24, so I don't want to confuse, okay, don't, okay. If you are understand, okay, just see it. If you don't understand, it's fine, okay. And if you go to this method, okay, so in the prefetch, I will show you, okay, later. This code, okay, here we having some entries. Let me execute code, it will get the record. Mm. So that is came into the prefetch method. You can see prefetch. This is all SAP code. No one written it. So just understand this SAP code. If you are understanding SAP code, you will get more salary. Okay, I'm coming to my breakpoint. I executed F8 and came to my breakpoint. So what is the quantity? Now you can see. What is the amount? 10 into 10 into 1000, how much? Now result. Okay, now how much result? You can see currently I'm in 1349 breakpoint line. Okay. So once I execute, so still result is 0 because that line is not executed. Full stop means that is completely one line. So this is one line. Okay. This is one line. So still it is not executed. The cursor is here only. When I execute F5, so it will execute. So now see, it is calculating in the, so like this we have to debug in the real time and go back. Okay, now it will go. Again, I will enter F8. So it will go to next record, 20 into 2000. Okay, it will this field level routine, it will execute record by record, not packet by packet. It will execute record by record. So first record is completed, second record. So currently we are into breakpoint. Now again I am doing it F5. See, now it is updated. Now again F5. Now I will do like this one F8. Again it will come back to third record. Currently we are into third record. You can click on F5 and again F5. Now it is updated. Are you getting me? Don't confuse, okay? Again, it is going to fourth record. So like this, it will go 25 records. So simply I will execute F5, 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 F5. So it will change it, okay? Go here and, okay, go here and I will do F8 again. See here, see here. So directly it is going to F8 only. I am executing F8. It will be there only. It is, see, it will go till 25 records. Okay, 22, 24. So this is last record. Okay, and F5. Okay, F5. Now it is going to, okay, this record, and then if I execute, it will come out. Okay, it is coming out. It will not go back again. See, it is not updating because currently we are into, see, this one. Serially in the dialog process, debugging mode. It will not update single record to the target. You can go and check it here also. It will not update zero records only because we are into debug mode. We are into debug mode. If we do directly in the production also, it will not update. So if you keep this parallel extraction and processing, then only it will update. If you go to debug mode, it will not update the data to the target. Understood? When you are into debug mode, data will not update to the target. What is my source? This is my source. This is my source. Okay, this is my source. What is our target? This is my target, DSO. So when I execute, data will not update to target when I keep in the debug mode. When you keep this one, then only it will update. Now it will update because of parallel extraction and processing. It will update to the target. Now you can see 25 records. You can go here and you can see 25 records. Are you getting me? Clear, right? Hello? Understood, right?
Yes, Anna.
Yeah, yeah. So don't confuse. Okay, I'm not explaining more about a BAP code. So this is how it will work. Small piece of code we are writing into the field routine. Just a small piece of code, only one line of code. That is not rocket science. So we are just calculating quantity into amount. Okay. Source underscore fields quantity into source underscore fields amount. Finally, it is updating to the total. Okay. I just showing the options, all the options. Here we having this many options. So here, example, I have a posting date. Okay. I want to know this field is mapped to multiple fields, right? I want to know. Okay. How will know? So in the real time, it will be confused, right? In the real time, we having 200 fields, 250 fields. Okay. Just click on this one. So now you can see, right? Only one posting date is updating to multiple fields. It is mapped to multiple fields. Easily you can recognize, right? What I clicked on this one. These icons you need to remember, okay? Okay. And then what is this? This one. Okay. This one I will keep it like now. I will click on this one. So it is highlighting. This total cost is updated, mapped to these two fields. You can easily identify this one. And this material, click this one. So now you can see. So when I click on this, this is undo highlight. This is highlight source on target. Is a highlight. So when you click on this, it will not highlight. Okay, basically it will go. When I click this one, when I go to this one, it will not highlight. Okay, when you click on this one, if you have any additive, so I don't have any additive. By default, it will be overwrite. By default, it will be overwrite. I'll show you. Okay, here you don't see any plus mark, right? You don't see anything. What is the overwrite here? You can see, right? Overwrite. Overwrite, right? By default, overwrite. Standard ESO will support overwrite. I will show you how it will work this option. And go here and go to edit mode. Go to edit mode and okay, go here total amount and I will do summation. Okay, I will do one summation and activate it. Now you can click on this one and now you can see it. Okay, see what it is showing plus. Before earlier it didn't show because that is override. When it is having summation, then it will show. That means plus means it is editing. See here, summation, summation. If you double click here, you can see summation. How about amount? I can see amount as well, right? Amount what is having override? It is not a summation. Now, if you click here, then you can see summation as well. You can click here, you can see summation as well. Okay, are you getting difference? I just trying to explain this one. If we have a summation, then it will show. If we don't have summation, you can see I'm revert back. Override, and you don't see this field. You don't see amount. And let me revert back. Overwrite. So overwrite means it is overwriting the data, existing data. So when you click on this one and you can go to overwrite. So based on the requirement, when you want to accumulate the data, when you want to accumulate the data, then we are summation. Currently it is working as a override property. Okay, click on this one, you will get it. In the real time, we have summation override. So based on the requirement, they will use, but okay, I You can see by using this option, you can see switch details view off. This is just information only. Click here, just information will come. What is this information? Okay, here you can see information. Editing role, you can see editing object, you can see all the details, kind of material. Okay, now you can go back. I'm not saving it. Now you can open it. Now you can see, right? These options. Now you know, right? This find. So I want to know, okay, I don't want to search it. So by default, it's a checked target. I am not selecting source. Okay, in the source level, okay, in the source level, do you have material? So I have a material type, example. Material type, where is material type? I have a material type where it is this one material type. This is material type, right? I will select MATL underscore TYPE. Okay. It is already in the target level. Okay. It will highlight. See, it will highlight. Now, what I will do, I will remove this one. I will select the source. Then it will highlight. No, it will not highlight. Okay. So let me select because the field is not available in the source. The material type is not available in the source. It will not highlight. Click here. No, it will not highlight because no object was found to the match specific criteria. In the real time, you having 200, 150 fields. So manually you cannot search. So you can search by this. Okay. You can search by this option. So if you select this target, if you select both, okay, okay, it will identify. See, this is mapped. Okay, like this, it will have material type is available. And do we have calendar month? No. Okay, now I will select cal month. Now go here, it will highlight. So like this, you can search. So you can search term cal month found and corresponding the field. Like this, it will have it. That means search for term means it will have it. So I will remove and I will check it. See, no object found. That means it is the cal month is not available in the source section. This is data source. You can see icon. This is target. This is DSO. You can see this icon. Okay. So DSO level it is there, but in the source level it is not there. I'm searching for only the source only, not target. Okay. You can select here and you can search for calendar month because we already searched it. That is the way it is done. So if in the same way you can do it. Okay. You can select this one and you can do it. So it will highlight. You know, right? How to search now all these options. Clear, right? Okay. Okay. We'll see other options by tomorrow. Okay. Hello. Bye. Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Bye.